Yes, you are in farmer right field.
Yes, yes. I am standing on my farmhouse, and I am standing on the edge between two lands called edge.
Yes, yes. I watch lots of the video. You are always to make video in farm.
Yes, yes. Because always I have a lot of work for doing farming, so I have to look after everything. So I have to uh, make video after outside.
Yes, I think you have YouTube channel.
Yeah, yeah. I am having YouTube channel.
Yes, because I watch your lots of the video. You other YouTube channel.
Yeah, yeah. Means that you watch my video from other YouTube channels
Yes, yes,
along with whom I have talked.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Nice, nice.
Nice.
So we are meeting very first time, brother. So please give me some introduction so that I can know more about you. Okay.
Okay, okay. First of all, thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. Basically, I am from Bihar. My name is Lakhan Pandit. Talking about my education, I have done graduation, and talking about my hobbies. Hobbies are only watching cricket match and reading some books and broadcasting, listening. That's about all me.
Okay, okay. Nice,
It's
nice, nice, nice. Okay.
yes. It's your turn, brother.
Yes, yes. So, so this now my turn is coming for introducing for giving introduction about myself in front of you. So this is Raju Kumar in front of you, and I am connecting from Bihar also, just like you. And I'm a farmer. I'm also a tuition teacher. This is my short introduction. So while delivering your introduction in front of me, you were telling that you was also from Bihar states. So which districts you belong to? Please, could you please tell me? I am very eager to know that which district
Yes, yes.
do you belong to?
I am belong to Baka district.
Okay, okay. Banka district. Very, very
Yeah,
close to me. Banka
yeah.
district.
You are from Jamui.
Yeah.
I listen some video.
Okay, okay. But when I just giving my introduction, no, so I don't mention that only mentioned Bihar because if I will tell
Yes,
everything, so it will be longer and nobody want to listen about more introduction.
yes, yes. No need to more long introduction.
Yes, yes. Means that you belong
Yeah.
to Mangama.
No, no. I nearby Godara district.
Okay, you are very near to Godda district.
Near Godda. Godda from
One
I
of
think
my
twenty
friend,
twenty
no.
five.
Yes, yeah,
Yes, yes,
25. I mean that you are just 25 kilometers far from Baka district.
yes.
One of my
Your
friend,
friend
no,
name?
also from Syam Kumar. You know very well about the Syam Kumar.
Yes, yes.
He's also
Yeah,
from
I know.
Baka district.
Ma Magama district. I have also his number.
Yes, yes. I have talked with him many times.
Yes, I watch your video.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yesterday I talked with Syam Kumar with 45, 46 minutes.
Yes, yes. He is a teacher, and because when that person joined, so before me, he had joined this Skype app, and after
Yes.
him, I have joined this Skype app, and they have joined this Skype app um, 2 months before the Durga Puja, and I have joined this Skype app means that at the time of Durga Puja. And first day on the
Yes.
Durga Puja, I have talked with the Syam Kumar. And on that time,
Yes.
no, he was not opening and he was not running any kind of coaching classes on that time.
Yes.
But now, no.
You
Uh,
are also a teacher. Which
yes,
subject you teach?
I teach mathematics and science of class 9 and 10th of village student.
Yes. I am also a teacher. I teach mathematics, science, and as well Hindi. 5 to
Yes,
10
yes,
standard student.
yes, yes, yes. You see, it is nice.
Yes.
Getting knowledge in every field is good things. Okay. So
Yes.
it will
Okay.
develop your understanding power and it will also develop your increase your knowledge also. If I talk
Right.
about the all-rounder in the cricket team, because
Yeah.
you told me that you are very passionate about the listening to the and watching the Indian cricket team, and means that 4 days before the match which was going on, so you had watched that video also.
Yes,
One
yes,
day
I also.
international cricket. Yes, yes. One day
Yes,
international cricket. So no, you know that Indian teams, you know very well that all-rounder very needs, because you know middle order batsman also needs and all-rounder is also needs, because all-rounder
yes,
did, if they will not will good at the bowling, so definitely they will good at fielding, and they
run.
will good at batting also, and they will just improve their batting style, because you know middle order plays very vital role and important role in the cricket team. And
Mhm.
first batsman they will only bat, and after that they will field, and after that they will not doing anything extra in the Indian team.
Yes,
But if
yes,
you will all rounder, if you will keep yourself all rounder, and so it will be good for you, because you know if your batting style will not good, definitely your bowling uh, will be do well in the in that team, for that team also. If your bowling will not do for the team, then definitely your batting will be do. So all
yes,
rounder
yes, you are.
in this era, in the modern age, I want to say that in the modern day, in this century, in the 24th century, so we all should be all rounder. This all will be all rounder, because you know this is the age of all rounder. Because if you will depend only on one subject, so it will be not okay for me, because you know because some poor student also coming to get knowledge in the coaching classes, and they are not having much money. Okay, so they can't afford a lots of money for paying uh, to coaching center. Okay, generally teacher teaches mathematics and science, but
Yes,
what about English, what about Hindi, what about Sanskrit, and what about social science? They are not teaching social science, English, Hindi, and Sanskrit. If you
yes,
will teach them, if you will teach them to the poor student, so it will be very beneficial for our society also. Our society will be developed. Okay,
yes.
you will
Okay.
earn money, and also if you will teach it to them, so our society will be developed, and poverty will be improved, and if we, and everything will be possible, and you will get knowledge also in every subject, so you will be called all rounder.
Yeah,
Harman
you are
Singh
right.
said after teaching, no, after teaching knowledge is increasing. When I was
Yes,
10th class, I was less knowledge. But after teaching, no, I got a lot of knowledge in every field.
you are right. You are right. Because education, what, how much you distribute, deliver, you get knowledge. That's why
Yes,
you are
yes,
right.
you are truly saying. Whatever
Yes,
you having, because you know, when you teach a student, before going to the class, you have to be a study. You have to be read also. So
yes,
means that this is the process of learning also by yourself, and you are just keeping yourself busy, and you are just increasing your level, and it is money is not everything. I not say you are also earning money, I am also earning money after teaching some money, and I'm also busy keeping myself busy in agricultural sector, and I am also learning, so I am just increasing my knowledge in every field, so it is
yes,
a
yes,
good
you are
thing.
right. Yes, you are right. I am also farmer. I am also farmer. I am
Yes.
sometimes I do my farming in my field.
Yes,
But
yes, farming is not a good thing, because you know many of the student after getting graduation, after doing graduation, they are still sitting in home. But I want to say that,
yes,
but that don't worry. Farming is a good thing. There is not wrong any wrong with doing the farming. What is the wrong with doing the farming? There is no
yes,
wrong with doing the farming. You just start your business and just keep busy yourself with doing different kind of activity, just like planting tree, just like beach planting, bee planting, madhumakhi palan, just like mushroom agriculture, just like fishing. You can also, there are agriculture sector is not a small sector, it is a very wide sector.
You are right, right. Because agriculture sector, I think, backbone of India.
Yes, yes, you are truly saying 70% of the Indian people are doing agriculture sector, and you know, in the our national income also they are helping to aid and increase our
Yes.
national income also.
Because in a national sector, if the agriculture GDP is low, then the country has not grow.
Yes, yes, you are telling about the gross domestic product. I can think that.
Yes.
Yes, yes, because you know, if agriculture sector will collapse, no, of India, so India will not develop.
You
Still,
are right.
India is not developed country. India is called developing country, and because of
Yes.
agriculture sector, if if our 70% people will not do agriculture, no, so food production will be not increased, and the price will be increased. If I will not produce grain just like wheat, just like gram, just
That
like
is,
rice, no. So on that time, what will happen? Their price level will be increased, and what will happen?
definitely you
The
are
poor
right.
people cannot buy these things when the price will increase. So you know very well that higher the price, lower the demand, and lower the price, higher the demand. You know very well
Yes.
the
Yes.
economics condition, law of demand. This is called
Yes.
law of demand.
Yeah,
So
you are
it is
right.
just depend on, but no, in other country also people are doing farming and they are just increasing their national income, and just like national income is just one part of GDP also called.
Yes. Yes. You are right. You are right. Truly, you are right. Very.
So tell
Now,
me about extra things.
extra thing I have no. I am recently starting to learning this language. That's why I am keeping learning this language. And when any good speaker speak in front of me, I am listening carefully with him,
Okay,
and
okay,
I
I
am
am just
learning.
like you, brother. You are speaking very nice. Why you telling that everyone is beginner? I am not better than you. We are equals. Just consider
Yes. Yes.
that.
Everyone. Yes. Yes. You are right. You are
All are
right.
equal. Because you know all are joining this app for learning purpose. You have joined this app for learning purpose of communication skill, so that you can improve your communication skill. Because today English is everything. Wherever you will go, you will need English. Widely need English. If you want to
Yes.
crack government examination, so you will have to be given synonyms, antonyms. But I don't know synonyms. I am truly saying antonyms. I don't know.
No problem. But definitely you will getting synonym antonym one day. But you are speaking very
No,
well.
antonyms
After
is
that,
very hard for me, but I am using this language. No, but whatever I am speaking, no. So general, what I am using, I am not using advanced level.
yes, brother, because advanced level, when you use the word, on that time, the in front of the people, if you are use the very hard vocab, but in front of the people and who is the co-learner, they getting your point, do not getting your point, but what you speak, what is the meaning? That's why you
Yes,
are speaking a general, small word and a small sentence. It is good for everyone.
yes, yes.
Every,
When other
yes,
person is also speaking general language and simple words, so I am catching. But if they are not using simple word, they are advanced level, so I am not also catching.
yes, yes. You are right. You are right. But it will definitely take time because it is a language, not any kinds of sweet. You take
Yes.
and eat.
I think that starting from childhood up to the class 12, you was also Hindi medium, just like me.
Yes, yes. Also, I am done. I have done graduation in Hindi medium because you know very well because you are belong to Bihar. Bihar, 10 level standard tak English is no valuable, nothing to
Yes,
value.
yes. In 10th level, no, only student comes to me for getting good marks. In
Good marks. Yes,
the BSB board, they are not taking interest in English. So I'm not teaching in
yes,
English in my just like I'm not running any kind of coaching center and institute. But the student come to me and they just I spread bedsheet on my home, on the ground and on the floor, and just sit down and I start teaching to them.
Yes, yes. Mm,
Okay. So do you have
yes, okay.
any question to ask from me?
Yes, yes, I have a lot of questions, but how can I ask you? You are teacher, you are teaching a student. I am also teaching student. Both are the teacher. But ask about the English. How to getting the influence in English?
Yes, yes, yes. It is depends on practice. Okay, so don't care about doing the mistakes. Whatever your mouth is going to tell, just giving your mouth permission to give out. Nothing. There is
How?
no medicine in the world
How
that will make your fluency increase.
yes, yes. How to remove vegetation? You tell me.
Okay, okay. Means that you want to remove your hesitation. So
Yes,
there is one speak more and more and practice more and more, and connect with different kind of person more and more. After 1 month, you will feel nicely yourself, and you will be feel better. Okay. Because when I was speaking with first person, no, so I was very confused, I was very shy, I was very nervous, and I was very my mind and my hand was shaking and sweating also from my body. So a lot of things was coming from my body, but now I am comfortable. I am doing wrong, I am doing mistakes also. I am truly saying I am doing a lot of mistakes. Okay, I am also stucking, but that time no, I just speak wrongly.
yes, yes. I am good at audio call, but while talking on video call on that time, my mind is going to blank. Question are not raising in front of me. What to ask, what to not ask. This type question are always to running in my mind.
Yes, yes. Because that is happening with you because of you have practiced more and more with audio call, and you have not practiced on the video call. So because of that reason, that things is happening with you. If you will practice more and more on the video call, and so all the problem will be removed automatically. No, don't worry. So audio call is also best, but in video call, no. So video is coming, and
Yes,
concentration you will have to make concentration also, because I am speaking, no, so you are because you are seeing my face, and you are just watching my face and giving to the answer. So one extra things is coming on the video call, but this face and not coming on the audio call. Okay, so only one voice was coming on the audio call, so you will have
yes,
you listened only on the time on the audio call, but this time one work is just increasing on the video call, so you are having some problem. But as more as connect with different kind of person on the video call, everything, so every problems of you will be solved automatically, don't worry. Okay.
okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes, you are right. One problem I have, how to ask a question. Asking questions, I have no idea.
Okay, okay. Asking question you don't have idea means that when other person will speak on the video call, no, so you will just watch and you will listen that what question they were telling. So after that, automatically one from now you will get everything question. Okay,
Okay, okay,
it is depends
okay.
on connecting with different kind of person.
Yes, yes, definitely. Yes, no, I am starting recently start again because after July, after October, I leave the practice for 4 months. That's why I am right now stucking and I have rem- just hesitation. But 1 year, one completed, I remove my hesitation. Then I will getting good knowledge about this language.
Yes, yes, because Bardal, that punctuality, regularity, and consistency, and all are depends. Because because all are depends on the practice. Practicing punctuality, regularity, and consistency, you will have to be maintained. You will have to be keep. Okay. So if you will be
Okay.
regular on this basis, so you will be solve all this problem, and everything problem you will be solved. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay. I think practicing is more necessary for improvement
Yes,
this language.
because because some trainer and some mentor and some English speaker guider just telling that read out a story book, but I think that if you will read out any kind of a story book, so they will not help you much, but they will strong your vocabulary also. But no,
Yes.
when while speaking, no, so you will not able to use. So focusing on listening, and the second one is speaking. But I will tell you, because I am speaking, so you are listening. So
Yes.
just try to listen and speak more and more, and it will be possible only for when you will connect with different kind of person. Every problem will be solved.
Yes. You are right. You are right.
I think
Yes.
that you are very busy. Starting from morning, you will be having some classes starting from 6 a.m. up to the 10 a.m. And again, you will be having classes afternoon session will be having with you. So starting from 2 p.m. up to the 6 p.m. But you can connect with different kind of person after 8 p.m. also, because in the daytime less number of candidate and less member of a Skype person is available, because daytime all are busy with their office work.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
so after 4 p.m. all are available. But this apps is always free up to
Free.
11 p.m. If you will
Yes.
send a message and drop message on the Skype app at the before going to the sleep, means that 11 p.m. and 12 p.m. So some people will be available. But starting from 4 p.m. up to the 9 p.m. means that a large number of people are available on the Skype app.
You are right. You are right. In the morning times when I send the message, no and reply anyone. That's why I know ki everyone right now in office, yeah, other work are busy. That's why.
Yes, 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 yes. So you can drop message any times with this group. Okay, because
Yes.
always 10 and 20, 20 candidates always available.
Yeah,
But
you are right.
apart from that 12 and 20, but 2 and 3 will reply you and other will not reply you, because in this app, no, if someone will speak with you one time, so on the next time they will not take interest talking to you, because they are a YouTuber, so they don't want to make video twice with you. So there is a demerit of these apps, but don't worry, I am always ready. When I will free, no, I am always making video with the same person. But because I
Yes,
have
yes.
joined this app only for enhancing my communication skill of English. Okay, I am
Yes,
not
yes.
joined this app for earning money.
Yes, yes. I am also want to learn this language and enhancing my knowledge because nowadays I am not making any kinds of video and YouTuber because
Yes,
I want to discuss the everyday particular topics because general speakings I know very well. I make mistake I know truly, but the general speaking is good for me. But while need to discuss any particular topics, on that time I am getting stuck. On that time I am thinking I am zero from here.
yes, yes, it is a true thing. I am also, I don't, I am also not able to speak with the particular topic. When I am talking about the particular topic, no, just like corruption, just like village life, just like, so on that time, I am always getting stuck.
Stuck because on that time you are zero. Because why? Because you have no good knowledge, good vocab. You have no good
Yes,
idea
yes.
about that subject. That's why. That's why I want to discuss any particular topics to who is the good become my friend. I want to become good friend who is the eager to me connect every day offline. Yeah, because online everyone know I am online. Then you drop me message. I am not receiving your message. But when I offline number on that time, when you need to call, you call me, I call you and
Okay, okay,
discuss any
okay.
kind of-
No, just say I have talked with Syam means that more than 20 times.
Yes, yes.
It means
Yesterday
that
I talked with
after 2 days and after 5 days, after 3 days, I called him and he called him and asking about my life, asking about my coaching center, and asking about my village life, and asking about my agriculture sector. So always,
yes,
always telling about them. And I motivated a lot to the Syam also, because he was not opening the coaching classes for English. He was always telling that I am not this time good at, but I just motivated a lot. Just start your business and start your opening your coaching classes. Every problem will be solved automatically. And now he is very happy with their coaching center, and he have developed
Yes,
himself a lot.
yes, yes. He speak very well. He speak very well.
Yeah.
I talk with them 4 or 5 times. I have also his number. I have also his number.
Okay, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
one day I will call to the, I will definitely come to the Mahangama, and after that I will meet you.
Okay, definitely,
Because
definitely.
I think that only 2 hour take bike from here, my district, to your home. Only 2 hours.
Yes, yes,
Yes, yes.
yes.
Okay,
That's
brother. So I will
okay,
definitely
okay,
talk with you in the next video, and I will be having some topic, or you will give me some topic. Okay.
okay. Thank you, thank
Okay,
you.
okay. And I
Mm.
will be always ready to make mistake with that topic,
Okay.
because
Okay.
making mistake is just like one part of life, and if I will do not mistake, no, so I will not learn.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, bye bye.
We, bye. Okay, thank you.